Good morning, it's 7:30. I'm just about to edit the video for today, which was yesterday. My ends lightened, definitely. Obviously that bit's pink, but they did lighten. The kids are all squeaked, Potty, R8, just having a coffee. The cats are all up. I think it might be dry today, so we're going to try and go in the garden. My lips are mostly healed. Got a little bit sore there, but those tablets worked amazing. I'm really happy with them. Yeah, we'll see you in a bit when we're more awake. Are you steal my hat? Oh no, it's your one. We've come out to try and have a bit of a sort. I need to burn some stuff, so I'm going to get the burner and then do that once they've gone in. We need to try and organise and... yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm just trying to get jobs done and the kids are just playing up, and obviously there's no one else to do the jobs now. I have to do all the jobs and I can't because there's no one to watch the fucking kids, and... I've stopped crying. I put my big girl pants on. Fuck me, that sun is bright. Grace on a cracker. It's now lunchtime. I'm just gonna make the kids some lunch. I've got a bolognese on the go. The bottom of my hair went very orange, but I'm not cross about it. I don't hate it. Yeah. I want to be blonde again, so I wanted to see the ends of my hair are the bit that are going to break, but they feel fine. So, because I did have a lot chopped off, so I think we should be all right to do the bleach. Yeah, I didn't really get anything done outside. Give you a quick look. You can't really see anything. I cleared down this corner, started to look in there, and then I've done a big pile of stuff over there, and I've emptied all the cat poo. But I've just got nowhere to put anything. My bins are full. I need a skip, but I can't afford a skip. My car's too broken for me to drive anything to the dump. So yeah, I'm just having a do. I'm having a day, and it's just, sometimes it's just, you just need to have a cry. But I'm now gonna make lunch, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Hey, it's 1:30. My dishwasher's just broken, which is amazing. Absolutely loving that. So I've just had to take everything out of it and wash it up by hand. So but I've managed to stop it beeping. So I'm just going to ignore it and pretend it's not there and just wash everything up by hand. My bolognese is done for tonight. The kitchen is cleaned-ish. I just need to do underneath this sofa. And then I'm going to sit down, have a coffee, and just try and relax for 10 minutes. I just had to put Mika in the bin outside to squash it down, which was funny. Sausage boy. I see you. Me and the girls have got bolognese pasta. Their favourite. And Foxy's got corn on the bob, waffle fries, and a dinosaur. I'm very excited. I've just been doing some painting. Organised all this as well. I'm really happy with how this looks. I've got a fire going. The rest of the room's a fucking shithole because the kids just are putting all their crap everywhere. But this looks nice. I'm happy with this area. Yeah, I'm covered in paint now. Fox is asleep. It's 7:20. The girls are now doing some drawings. And I'm just going to chill out on the sofa and just relax because I've done like 11,000 steps today and I just want to sit and do nothing for a little while. So that is the plan, and I will see you tomorrow.